Hello everyone, it's Rachel McLean. I'm going to do a number using a Quickbooks software. So what you do is open a software, Quickbooks software, then you tap on create company first, then you go to detailed start, then you write your company name. My company name is Mark Traders. Company Limited. Then you copy this company name and paste it on the legal name. It is the same. It's the same. Then you come, I have my city as Mbarara. Then the account, I choose others, since my Uganda is not there. Then I go to next. I choose my company, my industry. My industry is retail shop. I continue. Then my company is a sole proprietorship. Next, my accounts are starting in January. I'll continue. Then where do I want to save my work? I'm choosing desktop. I save. And I wait a little bit. Then I continue next. I want to sell both services and products. Yes. Then I want to record each sale individually. Next. Then that one is recommended. Everything that is recommended, you just continue. That one is recommended. I want to track inventory. Yes. That one is recommended again. I have employees. Next. Then my year is starting from 1st January January 2023. I'll set my date like that. You can copy it. Control C. I continue. That one you will choose later. I go to setup. I start working. Then that's my home page in Quickbooks. Then they're telling me first change the currency into Uganda shillings. I'll come to edit. I go to preferences. I choose multiple currencies. Company preferences. Yes, I want to use more than one currency. Yes, so then I choose, come here and choose my my currency as Uganda shillings. It's there. Make it active. Then I say okay. Your company will close and reopen with Uganda shillings like that. They are telling me the company is operating using two accounts. We have Centenary Bank and Pet Cash Book. You go chart of accounts, right click, you say new, you put your bank account, check it is a bank, I continue, then I put the name as Centenary Bank. I still save a new because I have another one as Petty Cash. It can also be under bank, Petty Cash Book. So save and close. That one is done. So here you're seeing my Petty Cash Book and Centenary Bank. Do escape, you do another item. We have customer balances, customers and their balances. Go to customer center. I go to new customer and job, then I add multiple because I have many. Then multiple, I come and customize my columns. This side I remove what I don't want all of them because I just have customer name and balances and date only. I'll add the customer balance and opening balance as per date. I'll say okay here. That is it. Okay. Come and put my first customer. This one you ignore it. My first customer is Come Traders. Has the balance of 3 million. Then the date is 1st January 2023. I'll just do Control V because I copied it the other time from the beginning. Then we'll have Opita done. Opita done doesn't have the balance. Then we'll come and edit the date only, Control V. The next customer is Munene. Auto dealers. Auto dealers, I come and put my balance. Has the balance of 1 million. The date. Control V, you paste. The next customer is Classy Motor Spares. With the balance of 800,000. Then the date, you come and highlight and say Control V. That is it. Our customers, their balances, you save changes. Okay. They are saved, so you escape and do another item. Then we'll have vendors with their balances as suppliers. You go to vendors, you come to vendor center. I say new vendor, I add multiple because I have many again. I will not do individual. Individual can take much time. come and customize columns. I put what I want. Which column do I want? This side I don't want it also. Again, I don't want those ones. I come and add have the customer, the supplier name. I want the balance column and this one of date. I say okay. The first vendor is Kabale Sisters. The balance, we have 1.7 million. Then the date is also first. You highlight and do Ctrl V. The next vendor is Masaka Traders. The balance is 1.5 million. Then you come and highlight the date, Ctrl V, as that one. Then another supplier is Magra Importers. Doesn't have the balance. Do Ctrl V to edit my date. These are the ones I will save changes. They have been saved. You do escape. Go to the next item. This item is inventory items. As of 1st January 2023, I'll come and go to inventory activities, inventory center. And these ones I'll add them individually. New item, inventory part. Here, inventory name, the first inventory is motorcycles. You come and tick here sub item off. You enable unit of measure. Then yes, I want to measure a single unit per item. Then we don't have it is in units, we don't have it. Around there we've got others. You set it is units. Then abbreviation. Can call it UT. I do finish. Yes, then the description here is IV 001. The cost price is 4 million. Selling price is 4.8 million. Then the income account, I'll choose merchandise sales. I come on the point on hand, we have 8. Then the date here, I'll come and edit my date. It is the same date. That is it. I'll say okay. Oh, here they're giving me warnings. I'll come and say no. To remove these warnings, you go to edit, then preferences, accounting, company preferences. I come and then check these warnings so that they don't bring them next time. Say okay. Then I save my item. You see it is there. Then new item again. I want to add another item. Inventory part. Item name is generators. Then unit of measure is also units. It is already there. Then the description is IV 002. Then the cost Cost price is 2.7 million. Selling price 3.5 million. Then the income account again is merchandise sales. Then the quantity we have 6. Then the date here is Control V. I'll edit the date like that. Say okay. Next item, again same procedure. Item name is oil. Come and tick there. The units, it is in liters. Say add new, you go to volume. So where my liter is. Then I will check the liter. It is there. You do finish. Yeah, you have seen it. It is there already. I come and do my description is IP003. Then the cost price is 10,000. Selling price is 16,000. Then the account, I can call it that one. Merchandise sales. Point on hand we have 10. Then come and edit the date as we have been doing it. Control V. Say okay. Then the next item, inventory item is servicing. This one is a service. I'll choose the service part. Item name is servicing. Choose there. Description is IV004. The rate is 3,000. That is a service. I'll call it service as an income. I won't call it merchandise sales. Do enter. Set up that service account as an income here. I've seen it, yes. Save cross, save and cross, it is there. Then you save your item. That is it. You do escape. That part is finished. I got transactions. They're saying they deposited 40 million into the bank. You come and go to record deposits. You record 40 million. Amount is 40 million. Yes, that one, but from which account? Since it is operating using 2 accounts, the next one will be from petty cash book. Here, then deposit to cash. I mean Sentinel Bank, it is already there. Then the date here, you can edit it. It is second by the same year. Do save and close. Next item, they withdraw money worth 10 million from bank for business use. That means I'll make a general journal. It was for business use. You come chart of accounts, you right click, make general journals. Here, cash was increasing. Petty cash book was increasing with 10 million. Then bank was reducing because where they were getting money from with 10 million as that. So 7 new because I have other transactions with general journals. Then they are saying they obtained a 5-year bank loan of 100 million at 14% per annum. 5-year bank loan. That means our bank was increasing again. This side bank was increasing with 100 million. Then we have a loan account which was also increasing as a liability. You type it, you say enter, you set that account as a loan here. Say continue, you go to income, account type, it is a long-term liability, it is a 5-year bank loan, remember. So save and close. Yeah, I hope you have seen it. It is balancing. Save and new to the next transaction. I'll record my expenses. So we have an expense of interest again here, 14%. Interest expense is already there. I do enter of 14 million. Then they didn't say they paid that interest. I'll come and say interest payable. Interest payable as a current liability. So do enter, you set up that account. As account types, we don't have a current liability there. Come and choose here, other current liability, you have seen it. You continue. Yes, you have seen that one. You save and close. So you go to the next transaction. That one you save it. Don't have any other related. Save and close. You escape. Then you go to the next transaction. They're saying they sold 5 motorcycles and 3 generators and cash was banked. That means it was cash sales. You go to create sales receipts. You choose here cash. Choose the item and sell your items. Motorcycles here. First item is motorcycles. Quantity, they sold how many? They sold 5. Then here we apply our VAT. Add new sales tax system. Then the tax name is VAT. Then the rate. The rate is 18. The vendor is URA. Do enter. Say click add. Say okay, your VAT is there. You have seen it. I come and select, say my other item. It was 3 generators. Generators, there are 3. 3 generators. The quantity here, the amount will change, then the VAT will apply automatically. You have seen it. Do save and close. Then they're saying record deposit. Cash was deposited, was banked immediately. Come and check my receipt. I say okay. Deposit full. So my bank is already there. Do save and close. Yes, I got the next item. They bought 100 liters of engine oil. That means they didn't specify it is cash. You receive inventory with bill. Then the vendor don't have him or her, you can add your own. Say John. Quick add. The item that they bought is oil. Then the quantity is 100. Up there, you see, the amount is there. I say save and close. Since they received inventory with bill, you go to pay bills. I come here to my join, I check and pay 1 million by account by cash. By cash, I pay selected bills. Yes, here I don't want to pay more bills. Then I go to the next item. They bought 8 motorcycles by cash from Kawali sisters and paid them half payment. They did half payment. Again, it is received inventory with bills because they paid. Though it was half, we received from Kawali sisters as vendors. Then the item is motorcycles quantity. Quantity is 6. Amount is 8. Amount is there, 32 million. Got 7 plus. Then you got to pay bills. They paid a half. A half. Cover sisters of 32 million. It is this one, the last one. Last transaction. But by check, here you come and change your account to Sentinel Bank. You know that? Then they paid half. You come and edit. 32 million, half of it is 16. You pay selected bill. Yeah, you have seen it. Then the next item is they sold 100 liters of engine oil and serviced 5 generators. That is also cash sale. Create sales receipt. You check cash. Got item, you choose your oil here. 10 liters. 10 liters. Here you apply your tax. It is already there. 18%, you see. The amount is there. We go save and close. And they're saying, and they serviced 5 generators. It is a service. Come items and services. Look for that servicing item. It is there. Click there, then right click in that item. I'll come and do enter sales receipt. It is a cash sale again. Then the customer will don't have the name. Can ignore that. Then item is servicing here. How many did they service? They serviced 5. Then the quantity here will change. Then here VAT I will not put it there since it is a service. We don't add VAT. So save and close. Escape there and do another item. They sold 6 motorcycles and 2 generators for cash to Mona Auto Dealers at 2% discount. That is a sales discount. But let me first record this deposit. I record this money that I have sold. Come here and check that amount. I'm recording it too. Let cash book says it was a cash sale. Let cash book here. Save and close. Then the item they were saying they sold 6 motorcycles and 2 generators for cash to Mona Auto Dealers at 2% discount. I have to first check my sales discount here in the chart of accounts. See if I have it. Sales discount, yes I have it, but it is like an income. I'll come and change it to an expense because it is an expense to the company. Edit account, income account here, income type. I'll change it to an expense. Yes, it says save and close. Yeah, you have seen it. It is an expense. You escape there. You come and add your discount. You don't have it there. Go to lists. item list. Come here anywhere in the list, you right click there, you add new. I want to add my discount allowed. The part you add the discount, the item name is discount allowed. Discount allowed. Allowed, tick there. Yes, here come and change. Income account as sales discount. See, it is there as expense. Say okay. I hope you have seen it in the list. It is there already. Do escape. Then I go and sell my things for cash. Create sales receipt, cash. Then the item is motorcycles. They said how many? They sold 6. Yeah, the amount is there. Then I apply VAT. It is a sale. Product sale. So VAT is there. Then I sell my another item. Another item is generators. Check there. The quantity, it is 2 generators. Then when you tap on the amount, it changes. Then they gave out the 2% of 42,242,000. So I come here and give out my discount to the customer. Come here in items, I look for discount allowed. This one, it is there. Discount allowed. Then 2% of this amount. Then I type it there. Actually tick and type it there. It is 8,844,880. Like that. To reduce this amount, you see, it has reduced our amount here that Muna will pay. Our customer was Muna Auto Dealers. When you say enter to bring quick add, you add. Hope you have seen it. You save and close. And it says here, come and report your money. You deposit your money. Here you check. I'm depositing it cash book since it was for cash. Yes, it is already there. Come and say save and close. Do another item. That one is done. They cleared Masaka Traders' debt by cash. They paid bills. They have their dates there. Go to pay bills. It is Masaka Traders. You look for Masaka Traders, this one, the first one. You check there. The amount paid is 1.5 million by cash. Here the account. Say petty cash book. You pay selected bill. You don't want to pay more. You escape there. And the next item is they clear the following expenses by check. expenses were increasing and bank reducing. You go chart of accounts, you right click there, make general journals. General journals, expenses were increasing, we debit expenses. Fuel, you enter it, you set up that account as an expense, you continue, of how much to, it is 600, we debit. Our expense will credit our bank, it was by check. We have seen it is balancing, we have many expenses to pay, save and new. And next item is rent. Your rent expense is already there of 200,000. Then we credit our bank, it was reducing, we save and new. Our next expense is office cleaning. Office cleaning, you enter, set up that account. It's an expense, continue, save and close. Of how much? Of 220,000. It's like that. I pay another expense, it is electricity. Electricity, you enter, you set up an account, it is an expense, you continue, save and close, of 980. Then we'll have credit our Centenary Bank. Go save and new to the next transaction. Another expense is advertising. Advertising and promotion, it is 200,000. Then we credit our bank like that. Do save and new. Then another expense is audit fees. They paid audit fees. Audit fees, it is an expense. Audit fees 200,000. I credit my Centenary Bank again. Got another transaction. Save and new. They're saying they paid salary. What? It is also an expense. Salary. I'll come and type my salary, but you have two people, I'll add them at once. Is Amanda. We paid it to Amanda and Katate. When you enter, you set up an account as an expense. Then my amount, the total sum is 500,000. I credit my bank, it was reducing. Yes, save and new. Then they're saying they withdraw 500,000 from the bank for personal use, that is a drawing. So here For personal use, I come and type there my drawings were increasing. They have a debit balance drawings. Say enter, set up that account. Drawing is always under equity. We'll continue. Save and close. Drawings of 500,000. Then bank was reducing. Yes, you have seen it. It is balancing. Save and move to the next transaction. They're saying they bought a computer for office use at 2 million. That means cash. They used cash to buy that computer. Say computer, it is a fixed asset. When assets increase, we debit. Now, that one is expense again. Let me add new. Add new as a fixed asset. Yes, you have seen it. But account name is computer. As a fixed asset, you close. The amount is 2 million. We credit our cash which was reducing, paid cash book. Then save and close are finished, yes. Look at the transactions. I escape and check my reports how they are looking like. They want a profit or loss report from 1st January. I come to reports, company and finance, profit or loss standard. Yes. Then here I'll come and edit from which date. Most Quickbooks are always updating themselves to the current year. Here you come and change the date, 2023. 1st January 2023. You go to memorize, check the profit or loss account. Let's hope you have seen it. My income like that. My expenses, they are there. Once I was debiting interest expense, yes, sales discount, salaries. Hope you have seen it. That is it. That's the expense. Those are the expenses. When you list them, you end up getting a net income, which is a loss in negatives. Then I go to the next item, the next report. Go to reports. Then the company and finance. They want the financial position, which is a balance sheet standard, which is that one. Hope you have seen it. Listen it. That is it. Yeah, that's the balancing figure. That is it. Thank you everyone for listening. I remain on Shala Maclean. Yeah.